In front of me is VIVO iQOO Z10, and today I would like to show you how you can apply Apple layout on this Android. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called LaunchOS from Launcher Studio Developer. When it's ready, exit Play Store and go into Devices Settings. In them, scroll down to tap on Apps. Scroll again to hit Default Apps and tap on Home app. Now choose Launcher Pro to apply it and wait for this pop-up. Select Allow All. And as you can see, now I have to slide up and hit OK. So if you want to access your buttons, swipe up like that. My launcher was successfully applied. If you want to make some changes, go into Launcher app. If you wish to go back to your default launcher, you need to go back to Devices Settings and tap on the Default Home App section again to choose System Home Screen. Then wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!